Students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University Jaipur. Session Classification and Nomenclature of Alkyl Halide. Student, today now we discuss classification and nomenclature of alkyl halide compounds. So now we discuss what is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide is organic compound containing at least one carbon halogen bond. C bond X are known as a alkyl halides. X is represent FCl, Bri. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine is replaced hydrogen can contain many carbon halogen bonds. So examples are given below in slides. In a trichloroethynyl as a solvent is a haloethynyl is a halide antiseptic compounds, and difluoromethanes is a refrigerants, and bromomethanes is a fumigants. So hydrocarbons can also be contain other atoms such as halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromines and iodines. So halogen atoms are treated like branching alkyl groups. So halogens FCl, Bri is equal to halogens are group name is the fluoro, fluorine is group name is the fluoro, chlorine is group name is the chloro, bromine is group name is the bromo, iodine is group name is the iodo. Okay students. So classification of alkyl halide. Students, classification of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide कितने types होते हैं? तो alkyl halide are three types: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide and tertiary alkyl halide. So an alkyl halide is classified according to the kinds of carbon that bearing to the halogens. So alkyl halide are classified in three categories: primary alkyl halide, 1 degree alkyl halide RX, secondary alkyl halide 2 degree alkyl halides, and tertiary alkyl halides are 3 degree alkyl halides. Okay. So first now we discuss primary alkyl halide. When one hydrogen atom of methyl group is replaced by alkyl group. Students, primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide is a one hydrogen atom is replaced by methyl groups or by alkyl groups that the carbon of subsequent methyl is called primary carbon atoms. For examples are given below: CH3, CH2, CSCls and primary alkyl halides. And next examples are ethyl iodide is primary alkyl halides. Okay. सो अपन को क्या करना है, प्राइमरी एल्किल हैलाइड में वन हाइड्रोजन ग्रुप को या वन मैथिल ग्रुप से वन हाइड्रोजन ग्रुप को रिप्लेस करके वन क्लोरीन ग्रुप ऐड करेंगे तो अपने पास आ जाएगा मैथिल कार्बोनिल। प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम इज नोन एज ए प्राइमरी एल्किल हैलाइड। प्राइमरी कार्बन एटम से यदि एल्किल हैलाइड को अपन अटैच करेंगे तो वो उसको बोलेंगे अपन प्राइमरी एल्किल हैलाइड। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ वी डिस्कस द सेकेंडरी एल्किल हैलाइड। सेकेंडरी एल्किल हैलाइड व्हेन टू हाइड्रोजन एटम ऑफ मैथिल ग्रुप are replaced by alkyl groups, then they are carbon atoms of subsequent methyl is called secondary carbon atoms. Students, टू हाइड्रोजन एटम यदि किसी मैथिल ग्रुप से अपन टू हाइड्रोजन एटम रिप्लेस करेंगे बाय एनी एल्किल ग्रुप्स, कोई एल्किल ग्रुप अपने पास प्रेजेंट होगा और उससे यदि अपन टू हाइड्रोजन ग्रुप रिप्लेस करके एक सब्सिक्वेंट मैथिल ग्रुप्स या कोई अनोदर कंपाउंड्स ऐड करेंगे जो कि फॉर एग्जांपल्स आर क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन्स इज नोन एज ए सेकेंडरी एल्किल हैलाइड। फॉर एग्जांपल्स आर गिवन बिलो इन CH3CH, CH3Br is known as a secondary alkyl halide. Okay students. So next are the tertiary alkyl halide. Tertiary alkyl halide when the three hydrogen atom of methyl group are replaced by any alkyl groups, then their carbon atom of the subsequent methyl is called tertiary carbon atoms. For examples are given below. In the tertiary alkyl halide is CH3C, CH3, CH3Br is known as a tertiary alkyl halides. Three hydrogen atom replaced of methyl groups are known as any alkyl groups are known as a tertiary alkyl halides. In its examples are given below in tertiary alkyl halides. Okay. So now the classifies in these categories and different types of examples are given below, and answers you are the primary, secondary, and tertiary alkyl halides. So first examples are CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2I is a primary alkyl halides, and second examples, third examples, and four examples are solved in these slides are primary, secondary, and tertiary alkyl halides. Okay students, तो आपको C, D, E, F, so D is the CH3, 2 alkyl halide is present, is a secondary alkyl halide, two hydrogen group replace in bromine group, so secondary alkyl halide, and chlorine is a 2 hydrogen replace in a chlorine group, is the secondary alkyl halides. Okay students. So now we next topics are numerical nomenclatures of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides, they are the two types are the most widely used are systematic nomenclature and alternative nomenclatures. Systematic nomenclature is a IUPAC names and alternative nomenclature is a commons name. So both types are can be applied to alcohols and alkyl halides. Okay students, तो अपन IUPAC nomenclature two types के IUPAC nomenclature पढ़ेंगे. First nomenclature IUPAC nomenclature and second nomenclature are common nomenclature या simple nomenclatures. Okay. So now we discuss in IUPAC nomenclature. So the find the name is parent chain and the naming of alkanes. Select the longest chains and the parent chains. And the number is parent chains is always number the chain beginning at the needed to nearest the first substituent regardless with our to the alkyls and halo groups. For examples are given below. In this the first in IUPAC is a first rules are higher selected chains, and in second rules are the numberings, and numbering is the lower substituent group are the lower numbering, and there are the last steps is the suffix and prefix is used in the substituent groups. So first examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chain is the larger chain, but 2 position are CH3 position, 4 position are CH3 position, and 5 position are Br positions. It is the numbering is the left hand side, so CH3 group is the lower numbering, and lower numbering is the first priority is the substituent groups. So the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and IUPAC nomenclature funda is a suffix plus prefix plus wood root plus suffix are known as a nomenclatures is IUPAC formulas. Suffix plus prefix plus wood root plus suffix. So in these examples are given below. Prefix are 5-bromo, 2,4-dimethyl, heptane. Okay, and next example are 2-bromo, 4,5-dimethyl heptanes are given below in examples. Okay. So if the more than one of the same kinds of halogen is present, number each and use of the prefix is that is the di, tri, tetra, and so on. So for examples are given below. CH3C, CH3Cl, CH2CH2Cl are 1,3-dichloro, 3-methyl-butanes is known as a use is a di-trichloro. यदि अपने पास कोई टू टाइप सेम ग्रुप्स आर रिप्ले टू टाइप्स अपने पास प्रेजेंट होता है तो अपन यूज करेंगे डाई, ट्राई, टेट्रा. सो ओके. So if different halogens are present, number is according to its position. So let's all substituent is alphabetically orders. Okay. स्टूडेंट्स यदि अपने पास टू टाइप सेम टाइप से ग्रुप प्रेजेंट हो तो अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ऑर्डर टू डिफरेंट हेलोजन प्रेजेंट हो तो अकॉर्डिंग टू अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ऑर्डर अपन उसका नोमेनक्लेचर करेंगे. सो इन दिस एग्जांपल 1, 2, 3, 5 चेन आर प्रेजेंट. इनका 5 कार्बन चेन आर प्रेजेंट एंड फर्स्ट कार्बन इज द अटैच टू Br substituent and 3 कार्बन अटैच टू द chlorine substituent and 4 कार्बन अटैच टू द CH3 substituent. So in IUPAC formulas are prefix plus wood root plus suffix. Prefix is a 1-bromo, 3-chloro, 4 methyls, and wood root is the pent. 5 chain are the wood root, 5 pentanes is nomenclature. So in this nomenclature are the 1-bromo, 3-chloro, 4 methyl pentanes. Okay. So students, next are the naming. If two halides or alkyl are equal distance for end of the chain, so the begin at the end near the substituents whose names common first is the alphabetical orders. So Alphabetical order is the bromo is the bromo is the first and M का methyl is the last. So the 2 bromo 5 methyl hexanes. So not 5 bromo 2 methyl hexanes is in this nomenclatures. Okay students. So given the naming in the following compounds are given below in this nomenclatures. स्टूडेंट्स जो आपके पास सामने आपको कुछ कंपाउंड्स दिखाई दे रहे हैं उनके आपको नोमेनक्लेचर्स करने हैं. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल्स आर CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2I and second example CH3 CH CH3 CH2 CH2 Cls and 4 5 and etc examples and the given the name in following compounds. Okay, so examples are solution and given the first slides nomenclature is the following compounds. First compounds are iodobutane and second compound are 3-chloro-3-methyl-butane and C compounds are 1,5-dibromo 2,2-dimethyl pentanes and third D compounds are 1,3-dichloro-3-methyl-butanes and 4 compounds are 1-chloro-3-ethyl 4-iodopentanes and 2 bromo compound last compounds are 2-bromo 5-chlorohexanes compounds. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपको इन एग्जाम्पल को सोल्व करना है और आप सॉल्यूशन से की स्लाइड से देख के आपको चेक करना है. सो नाउ चेक इन द गिवन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ IPC nomenclature of alkyl halides. Okay students, so next are alkyl halide alternative nomenclature are common nomenclatures. Students, alternative nomenclature are and common nomenclature are the simple nomenclature. So the halogens are parent with a alkyl side group, so names as alkyl halides. So useful only for small alkyl groups. First example are CH3I, तो iodomethyl methanes and is the IPC nomenclature, but a simple nomenclature are methyl groups. CH3 groups are the methyl. One hydrogen group are replaced to CH4 convert to CH3. So CH3 is the methyl. Ill group is present, one hydrogen replace. Okay, so methyl iodide. Simple iodine is the iodide and second example are 2-chloropropane CH3CH CH3Cl. So 2-chloropropane is a one group. यदि one CH group are attached to 2 methyl groups, it is a iso. So it is examples of isopropyl chlorides. And next example are bromocyclohexanes या cyclohexene bromides. It is a trivial nomenclature. Students, कुछ specific examples are used in the prefix in a nomenclature of family chords of alkyl halide do not have a suffix. So alkyl halide always named our prefix is fluorine is called fluoro, chlorine is called chloro. जैसे अपना prefix मैंने एक example बताया आपको कि अपन फंडा रखते हैं कि एक ब्रह्मास्त्र होता है जो IPC का होता है और उसको अपन का फॉर्मूला होता है prefix plus suffix plus प्रीफिक्स प्लस रूट प्लस सफिक्स है. तो प्रीफिक्स इज यूज इन एल्किल हैलाइड. यदि आपके पास कोई एल्किल हैलाइड कंपाउंड है तो उसके प्रीफिक्स में अपन डायरेक्ट फ्लोरीन नहीं लिखेंगे, अपन उसमें यूज लेंगे फ्लोरीन इज कॉल्ड फ्लोरो, क्लोरीन इज कॉल्ड क्लोरो, ब्रोमीन इज कॉल्ड ब्रोमो एंड आयोडीन इज कॉल्ड आयोडो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, so student trivial nomenclature, trivial names are CH2X as called the methylene halide, and CHS is the haloform reactions and CHX3 is a haloform. ठीक है, तो CH4 is the carbon tetrahalides. For example, CH2Cl is the methylene chloride, CHCl3 is the chloroform and CCl4 is the chlorocarbon tetrachloride. और CCC chloroform and carbon tetrachloride के use and preparation and method formation अपन आने वाले लेक्चर्स में पढ़ेंगे. So okay students, so types of halides are two types, gem dihalide and vicinal dihalide. Geminal dihalides is 2 halogen atom are bonded to the same carbon is known as a geminal dihalides. स्टूडेंट जेमिनल डाइहाइलाइड क्या हो गए, 2 कार्बन से सेम कार्बन पे 2 हेलोजन कंपाउंड प्रेजेंट हो गए तो उसको अपन बोलेंगे जेम डाइहाइलाइड. एंड नेक्स्ट आता है विसिनल डाइहाइलाइड्स, 2 हेलोजन एटम आर प्रेजेंट बॉन्डेड टू एडजेसेंट कार्बन एटम. यदि कोई 2 हेलोजन कंपाउंड एडजेसेंट कार्बन एटम पे अपने पास प्रेजेंट होगा तो उसको अपन बोलेंगे विसिनल डाइहाइलाइड्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, Students, last are use of the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are solvent and decreases that are dry cleaning fluids, reagents for the synthesis of other compounds, and anti synthesis. The haloethane is the CF3CHClBr and CHCl3 are the used the originally toxic and carcinogenics and fluorines and chlorofluorocarbons, and that it is the CFC and freon well CF2Cl2 and now replaced with a freon 22 CF2CHCl3. Note is the harmful to ozone layer. So the pesticides DDT banned in US. Okay, students. Thank you.